Welcome to JST Tech. Today, we're exploring CNC milling aluminum parts for medical device applications. Why aluminum? It's the perfect blend of strength, lightness, and biocompatibility critical for life-saving equipment. From surgical instruments to diagnostic machine components, aluminum ensures precision without compromising durability. A multi-axis CNC mills achieves 0.5 mm tolerances, even on complex geometries like undercuts or micro-drilled channels. Every component undergoes CMMM inspection, surface finish checks, and non-destructive testing to meet medical grade standards. Aluminum's corrosion resistance and sterilization compatibility make it ideal for devices in operating rooms or portable diagnostic tools. Need custom medical parts with tight tolerances and rapid turnaround? Let's collaborate. Hit subscribe for more engineering insights and comment quote for a free consultation. At JST Tech, we don't just machine parts, we engineer reliability for healthcare innovation.